Welcome to the ORU housing process. First, you will need to open up your browser and type studenthousing.oru.edu. After this, you will see the home page. If you have not already done so, you will first need to set up an ORU email and password so you can log in. Directions are displayed here. Once you are logged in, you are brought to this welcome page. You will then click on the link that says Housing Application. You will then select the term for which you are applying. You have now opened the housing application. Once you are ready, you will select Start Application. First, you will see personal details. If what you see is incorrect, please log into your Vision or contact your enrollment counselor. Once you are ready, select Save and Continue. Here, you will see the roommate survey. These questions will help you match up with potential roommates. After you have answered the questions, you will see a box referring to a screen name. The screen name is a way for a potential roommate to look you up in the system. It is a safe alternative to inputting your full name and a great way to search for a specific roommate. Next, there will be a box to provide a brief description of yourself. Then, you will want to make sure to check the box at the bottom so that you are included in the roommate search results. Once you are done, you will hit Save and Continue. Next is the roommate selection page. Here is where you will be able to search for roommates. There are 3 ways to do so. Search by details, by roommate profiles, and by suggested roommates, where the system will provide suggestions based off of the answers that were given during the roommate survey. Please keep in mind that if the application period just opened, you may see little to no suggested roommates. Once you are ready, select Save and Continue. Next, you will see the housing contract. Please read through this. If you have any questions, please contact Concierge Residential Services Office at 918-495-7711 or email concierge@oru.edu. Once you have finished looking over the contract, please scroll down and input your Z number with the Z. Then you will select Save and Continue. On this page, you will see your application status as complete. Then you will select Save and Continue. Congratulations! You have now completed the housing application and may proceed with room selection on the next page by selecting Save and Continue. Once you are in room selection, you will see all the rooms that are available to you. When you are ready to find a space you want to live in, you are able to see how many students can live in a room. You can also view room info to see if anyone is occupying a space in that room already. Once you have found the room you like, you will select Add to Cart. From this point, you will have 5 minutes to finalize the decision. Once the 5 minutes is up, you will be redirected back to the previous page to select again. When you are ready, you will go ahead and select a bed space and select Assign Beds. You will then see the confirmation page for what you selected and proceed by clicking Save and Continue. Here you will see meal plan information and decide which meal plan will work best for you. Once you are ready, you will scroll down and select Desired Meal Plan and hit Save and Continue. Finally, you will see the application summary page. This page displays that your application is complete with room assignment as well as the room and meal plan that were selected. Once you are done, you will hit Confirm Application and you will be redirected to the home screen. Congratulations! You have now completed the housing application and room selection process. If you have any questions, please contact Concierge Residential Services at 918 495-7711 or email concierge@oru.edu.